Good morning, children. I am Swati, and today we will complete our remaining part of chapter first, the Christmas present. Captain Jim McPherson, I replied, and a happy Christmas to you too, I replied. I wish to Mr. Captain Jim McPherson happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. I am a school teacher from Dorset in the west of England, and I introduced myself. I am a teacher from Dorset, and the Dorset is situated in the west of the England. Oh, Dorset, he smiled. He gave me a smile. I know this place. Yes, I know. I have heard about this place. I knew. I know it very well. मैं बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ उस जगह को. We shared my rum ration and his excellent sausage. Then we shared our liquor and other eatables, and we talked Connie. How we talked, I don't know कि how we talked कैसे बातें की हमने. He spoke almost perfect English. He was speaking fluent English, but it turned out that he has never set foot in Dorset, and later on he told me that he had never set foot in Dorset, never ever been to England, कि वो कभी इंग्लैंड तो गया ही नहीं था. He had learnt all he knew of England, कि whatever he knew about England, he got all the information from school and from reading books in English, कि whatever the information of the knowledge of England he possessed, he got it from school and from the books because he was very fond of reading books. His favorite writer was Thomas Hardy, and he told me that his favorite writer was Thomas Hardy, and his favorite book Far from the Madding Crowd. So out there is to no man's land. We talked of Bathsheba and Gabriel Oak and Sergeant, and there was totally quietness. No people were there, and we talked about the Bathsheba, Gabriel Oak, and the Sergeant, Troy and Dorset. He had a wife and one son. He told me about his family, that he had a wife and a son, born just 6 months ago, and the boy was only 6 months old. As I looked about me, there were huddles of khaki and grey everywhere. And later on, I noticed that there were the huddles. Huddles, we can say, group of people. There was a huddles of khaki and grey everywhere. थोड़ी देर में आदि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे soldiers आ गए. We were wearing khaki dress, khaki and grey colors costume. All over no man's land, जहाँ पे कोई आदमी था ही नहीं. All over no man's land, smoking, laughing, talking, drinking, eating, कि जहाँ कोई आदमी था ही नहीं वहाँ पे बहुत सारी गैदरिंग हो गई, and they starting smoking, laughing, talking, drinking, eating, etc. Hans Wolf and I shared what was left of your wonderful Christmas cake, and I and Wolf were sharing the Christmas cake which you prepared. He thought that marzipan was the best he had ever tasted, and he appreciated the marzipan you used in the cake very much. I agreed. I also agreed with him. We agreed about everything, and he was my enemy. We agreed with each other on every topic, on everything, and he was my enemy. And I knew very well he was my enemy. दुश्मन था, enemy था. There was a Christmas party like it, and I have never enjoyed this kind of Christmas party, Connie. Then someone, I don't know who, brought out a football. After that, one of the soldiers brought a football there. Great coats were dumped in piles to make a goalpost, and he arranged the great coats in a pile to make up a goalpost. And the next thing we knew, it was Tommy against Fritz. And then later on, next thing we came to know, हमें पता लगा, it was Tommy against Fritz. कि two teams were there, out in the middle of the man's land. कि there in the field, there were the two teams. Hans Wolf and I looked on and cheered. We sat there and started cheering them, clapping our hands and stamping our feet. We were clapping and stamping our feet to keep out the cold as much as anything. And we are doing these things to to protect ourselves from the cold. There was a moment when I noticed our breaths mingling in the air between us, and that moment I noticed our breaths are mingling. Mingling means mix up. They were mingling in the air between us. He saw it too and smiled. He also noticed and just smiled. Jim McPherson, he said after a while, थोड़ी देर बाद बोला उसने, I think this is how we should resolve this war. I think this is the way through which we can resolve this war. A football match. No one dies in a football match. कि कोई भी इस मैच में नहीं डाई नहीं करता, कोई भी किसी को कोई डैमेज नहीं होता, किसी तरह की कोई हमें परेशानी नहीं होती है. No children are orphaned, no wives become widow. और इस तरह की फुटबॉल बेस से ना तो कोई बच्चा ऑर्फन होगा. ऑर्फन मीन्स अ चाइल्ड हुज पेरेंट्स आर डेड, कि जिसके माँ बाप मर जाते हैं, दैट इज ऑर्फन. एंड नो वाइफ बिकम विडो, और कोई भी पत्नी कभी विधवा नहीं होगी. आई वुड प्रेफर क्रिकेट, कि मैं क्रिकेट को प्रेफर करूँगा. आई टोल्ड हिम, मैंने उससे कहा. देन वी टॉमीज कुड बी श्योर ऑफ विनिंग. देन डेफिनेटली टॉमीज ग्रुप could be sure of winning. Probably, maybe. We laughed at that. हम हंसे, and together we watched the game, and then we together enjoyed the match. Sad to say, Connie, I'm not. That time, I'm sad to say, Connie, Fritz won. कि Fritz won the match. 2 goals to 1. 1 goal से वो आगे बढ़ गया, लीड कर गया. But as Hans Wolf generously said, our goal was wider than theirs. कि our goal was wider than theirs, so it wasn't quite fair. So it is not fair. Judgment बिल्कुल सही नहीं है. The time came, and all too soon, when the game was finished. Now the time has come when the game was going to over. The schnapps and the rum and the sausage had long since run out. Whatever the liquor, the sausage and rum, whatever we have, it was almost going to over, and we knew it was all over, and we knew it all. It was all over. We also know that match is also going to be over, and long since run out, and I wished Hans well and told him, I hoped we would see his family again soon. We will soon again, that the fighting would end and we could all go home. किस होप से कि ये जो बैटल है, ये जो वॉर है, वो जल्दी ही ख़त्म हो जाएगी, and we all go went to our home. I think that is what every soldier wants. I notice कि every soldier wants this thing on both the sides, दोनों ही sides में. Handball said, "Take care, Jim McPherson. I shall never forget this moment. Take care, and I shall never forget this moment." कि मैं इस मोमेंट को जो हमने इतना इसको एंजॉय किया, इसको मैं नहीं भूल सकता. Nor you, ना ही आप भूल पाओगे. He saluted and walked away from me slowly, and he slipped away from there unwillingly. I felt he turned to wave just once, and then became one of the 100 of grey-coated men drifting back towards their trenches. I felt, मैंने सोचा, he turned to wave just once, कि once he would turn and to wave his hand, then became one of the 100 of grey-coated men एंड देन जो सोल्जर्स थे जिन्होंने ग्रे कोट पहन रखे थे, दे ड्रिफ्टिंग बैक टूवर्ड्स देयर ट्रेंचेस, वो वापस अपने हाइडिंग प्लेसेस में, जो डिच थे, जो गड्ढे थे, जो गड्ढे थे, उधर वो मूव कर गए. That night, back in our dugouts, we heard them singing a carol. That night, when the soldiers were in their trenches, they heard singing a carol. उन्होंने एक song सुना, Christmas song सुना, and singing it quite beautifully. And whosoever was singing that, it was very melody. He was singing very melodiously. It was still night, silent night, बिल्कुल क्वाइट नाइट थी, शांत था, चारों तरफ बिल्कुल साइलेंस था. Our boys gave them a rousing chorus of while shepherd watched. और हमारी भी जो टीम थी, हमारे जो सोल्जर्स थे, उन्होंने भी लाउड टोन में उसको लाउड टोन दिया, वो भी उसको गाने लगे, एक साथ सिंग करने लगे. वी एक्सचेंज कैरल फॉर अ वाइल, थोड़े टाइम के लिए हमने अपने जो सॉन्ग्स थे उनको एक्सचेंज किया. हम एक दूसरे के गाना गाने लगे, एक दूसरे के जो क्रिसमस सॉन्ग्स थे उनको एक्सचेंज किया. देन वी ऑल फेल्ट साइलेंट, फिर बिल्कुल साइलेंट हो गए. वी हैड आवर टाइम ऑफ पीस एंड गुडविल अ टाइम. एंड हम लोग शांत हो गए. हम सभी ने वी ऑल विश्ड फॉर पीस एंड गुडविल, हम सभी ने गुड पीस की, शांति की और वेलफेयर की प्रार्थना की. हमने सबके लिए इच्छा जाहिर करी. आई विल ट्रेजर एज लॉन्ग एज आई लीव. एंड दैट टाइम आई फील कि दैट टाइम विच आई एन्जॉय इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ ट्रेजर. And I will keep this event, most precious event, like a treasure in my life as long as I live. जब तक मैं जिंदा रहूँगा तब तक मैं उस इवेंट को एक खजाने की तरह अपने जीवन में रखूँगा.